Hello everyone, welcome back to Lawful Creations. It's December 1st and I'm super excited to start off our 25 days of Christmas challenge. Today we are making a beautiful handmade Christmas greeting card. So grab your supplies and let's get started. I started with cream color cardstock which measures 5 by 7 inches. On longest side I folded it into half and added decorative Christmas themed paper to it. Then I took another cardstock which measures 3.5 by 4.5 inches and I'm cutting it in the shape of a window. And I have added acetate sheet to make a little shaker card. I have added few sprinklers and shaker elements to the car and I have sealed it with the window I just made. I am die cutting this beautiful snowflakes border to decorate my card. Embellish the card with additional decorations. Here I have added Santa sticker which also acts as a photo insert. Now add a personalized message inside the card. That's it, our handmade Christmas greeting card is complete. Thanks for joining me today for this fun Christmas card tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Merry Christmas and happy crafting. See you tomorrow.